The 2002 Ford Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, power steering, driver airbag, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, front wheel drive, power door locks, CD player, security system. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.